this is Pearl and welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be making bread. Yes, bread. This is the one thing that has been swept out of the shelf around my house area. To help with that, I started making bread and I made so much. I think on Instagram I showed you guys that I made in total 6 loaves in just 2 days, and a lot of you have been asking me to share my recipe, so I am gonna share it all today. The thing is, the recipe is actually not mine. I got it off the internet, but the thing is, I modified the way you bake it, the way you make it accordingly, because I have a really small oven. I bought a portable oven I think when I was in university, so I brought it to my married house. So I'm just gonna use that and I'll show you guys how to make it. You have no excuse, guys. Even if you have a toaster oven, which is actually what I have, you can make it. Today I'm gonna be using my Thermomix. This is called Thermomix. It's my baby. I started cooking a lot because I got this. But if you do not have a Thermomix, the description box below will show you another recipe how you can make it normally. So let's get started. First thing first, you need your milk. I'm using this farm fresh milk and you need about 160 to 180 grams. So agak-agak. Next, you take 1 large egg like so and just crack it. Next is your yeast. I'm using this yeast. It's the instant yeast from Kijang. I already use it, as you can tell from here. Now the thing is, once you open your yeast packet like what I did, you have to put it into the fridge. You cannot leave it. So you need about 3 grams. But if you can't measure, just put about 3 spoons of this. Now you need to feed the yeast. You need the yeast to activate. So in order to activate, you need to put 30 grams of sugar. I'm using brown sugar, but you can use any sugar you have. Just put 3 tablespoons if you don't have a measuring thing. So I'm gonna proof it first. This is all proofing the yeast. You put 1 minute and 30 seconds at temperature 37 at speed 3. And this is what it looks like after you proof it. I like to take a whiff at it, and once you smell that I don't know what I call it, that yeasty smell, that means you are good to go to the next step. It's me putting about 260 grams of bread flour or high protein flour. Basically all bread flour are high protein flour, so if you go to the shop, the bake shop, and they're like, what are you looking for, and you say bread flour and they're like, oh, finish, you can always say high protein flour is the same thing. And go down. And you also put 2 grams of salt. What I like about Thermomix, it has this function called dough. So for now, I'm gonna knead for 5 minutes and it will do the kneading for me. And then that will cut my time of kneading. And this is what it looks like. This is how it looks like after you knead it. But now, we're gonna add the butter, the good stuff. Put in 30 grams of butter. I just cut off a loaf and see how much. Wash your hands, guys. I already did. Ugh. Hello, so now it's back to my face. Yes, I'm gonna be show you how to shape your loaf, how to put it in the baking tin, and what you need, okay? I use this non-stick baking paper. I like this brand. I've been using it since high school. Next, you need a rolling board or a rolling pin. I have this mat that I got it from Thermomix, so I'm gonna use that. And you need this bread tin. So bread tin is about 8-inch thick. This is how it looks like inside. This is the bread tin. So guys, I decided to make myself talk more in this video because I realized you guys prefer me to explain things rather than just type. If you prefer that way, let me know in the comment down below. First thing first, you need to line your bread tin with baking paper so that it doesn't stick on it. If it's not perfect looking, then you're gonna toss it away. No, just be like me. And you kind of like just push it in. it to be perfect, you just need it to work. And I'm gonna show you my dough. Ooh baby, come here baby. This is my dough. So pretty! So guys, I think I've forgotten to shoot how I took out the bread dough. But I think, I'm so sorry. But yeah, so I feel so bad, I'm so sorry. But I want to show you guys the texture of the dough. If you're making it, it should be a bit stretchy. Like you can feel there's weight to it, pulling it down. And that shows that your bread will be very chewy. Not chewy, it's like springy. You know how you like your bread to spring back? I like to cover my flour all over it first. I split it in the middle. With one side of my bread loaf, I'm just gonna press it down and I'm gonna fold it in and fold it in. And after I fold it in, I flip it over and I just tuck it like how I tuck a baby to sleep. And then it forms this round shape, and that's what you want. You can put it into your bread tin. One side of it, like so, like this. Repeat with the other side of the dough. So now all you need to do is just wait for this to rise. And one way to know whether your yeast is activated is after 15 minutes, if you see it's gotten a bit bigger, you can relax. You need to let it rise about for an hour, or if you reach 90% of the tin, that means it's ready to go inside the oven. So we just gotta wait. Before I forget, cover it and then put it somewhere warm so that it can rise better. So my somewhere warm is the kitchen, obviously. So yes, I forgot about that. Okay, be right back. For real, this time. Bye. Hello, so 20 minutes has gone by and I want to show you. So if you can tell, my buns have frozen. So that's good. Let it rise some more and then we can go. So as you can tell, this is how big my oven is. It's like the arm length of my hand from the finger to my elbow. So what I do is I put the temperature to about 160 and I only turn on the heat for the bottom pail, but for preheating I'll use both, and then I just turn it on and let it preheat. And also I would like you to see it's ready. Oh, so pretty. After an hour, actually more than an hour, it's like this, so pretty. So you can glaze it with egg wash or milk, but I like to do it with milk because I like the color not to be too... I don't have the brush, so I always do this. Since I pour it in my hand, I wash my hand with soap already, and I just kind of like dab it on. It's so soft, so don't press too hard. Just dab, 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 dab. Dab, dab. Dab, 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 smack that, smack, 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 smack. This is my bread. Look at it, so pretty. Ooh, I kind of broke the part when I was taking it out. It's hot, it's hot, it's hot. I put it down. So I actually wore brown so that I match my bread. So this is my pretty bread. So if you want to see how you can use this bread and make sandwiches, I have a lot of recipes up on my Instagram channel. So go check my Instagram out and I'll put it in the highlight. I'll name it sandwiches. I think that's the right way. I have tuna sandwich and also chicken pastrami. And also if you want to eat it like this, you can. So I hope you enjoyed this video of me making this bread. It's really, really very pretty. Photographer also get to be eat. I'm a videographer. Yay! And with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this recipe video. Let me know if you prefer this video format or the previous video format. And with that being said, stay safe and stay home. Bye bye!